Okay, so in this video, so the last video we have seen that how we can create a basic pivot table. Okay, so basic idea we have got in the last video. So in this video we will learn that some basic configuration about pivot table. So whenever we are creating any pivot table or we have created a pivot table, so after that some basic configuration we will know. Okay, so this is very basic actually. So suppose this pivot table we created last section. Okay, so now if I click here, the pivot fields are there. Okay, taskbar of field is there. So what we can do is suppose here pivot data analysis is there, data analyze. So what we can do is suppose field setting here, if we go, so we can disable this thing or we can enable this thing. If it is enable, you can disable it, or if it is enable, you can disable it. Okay, so now I am enabling it. Okay, I need it. So what I will do, now what I will do is next is like a button section. Button section is suppose this button section only. So if I click it, so that thing will be disappear. This button will be disappeared. Only the total value will be there. So let me check. So I will click button. So see here, no button is there. Okay, no button is there, so we can't filter it, we can't minimize it. Suppose if the button is there, what we can do is if I click here, only the total value will be there. Correct? If I click here, only the total value will be there, no details information will be there. Suppose I need only the total value. In that case, what we can do is we can use this button. Okay, but if I disable this, so that option will not be there. So plus minus, if you based on your requirement you can do it. So it is my I need this, so that's why I'm keeping it. So next things are fields header. Fields header means this header. So if you want to this to header, if you want to disable or enable that thing, you can do. So suppose field headers, if I disable, so here it will be disabled, and then if you want to enable it, you can enable it. Okay, so this is the basic things. Other thing I just want to share with you, suppose here is one option that pivot table fields inside. So there you can move it, you can move this format, you can resize this format, or you can close this format. So if you want to move this format, so after clicking, see, like this way you can move it. You suppose you want to place it any other place, or any other place. Suppose you have some giant screen and that time you want to replace it in any other place, so that is also possible, you can do. Okay, so for our case I will keep it like this way. Okay, now another thing we can do, that is resize our this format, this fields I can resize. How? If I click resize option, so see it is going like this, or we can maximize it, we can minimize it, and this kind of we can resize it based on our requirement, we can maximize it. Okay, so based on our requirement, how we want to get it. So okay, so for now, so I will keep it as standard type. I will not do it too much. Okay, so I will keep it like this. So this is perfect for me. If I want to increase any other thing, so that is also possible, I can do. So these are the basic configuration only we need to check whenever we are playing with the pivot table. Suppose we are creating, or after creating also we can do this based on our requirements. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.